I'm Eugene from the Department of Accounting at Monash School of Business.
Accounting is an exciting field and essential to the success of any business or organization. In summary, it's about recording financial transactions so that businesses can make good decisions that steer them towards economic success. At Monash Malaysia, the accounting major is an excellent, well-rounded program that sufficiently prepares you for the working world. If you have a knack for numbers and enjoy discovering financial solutions to today's business challenges, accounting could be the course for you. With a focus on hands-on experience, you learn how to understand, analyze, and guide organizations to develop airtight budgets, safeguard financial health, and ensure compliance with regulations. Our major introduces you to the main areas of accounting, including auditing, tax accounting, managerial accounting, financial analysis, and consultancy. From there, you're able to discover an area of specialization that best suits your passion and interests. Our robust industry partnerships also mean great opportunities for internship and practical real-world learning. And more than technical skill, you'll learn how to effectively communicate your key findings to decision makers and contributes to strategic decisions, making you a valuable voice wherever you go. Whether you hope to run a startup, join a non-profit, or explore global markets, our accounting major lays a strong foundation for career success, and in the field lie many opportunities for advancement. You can either move up the ranks of companies or branch out into an area of specialization, carving your own niche of expertise. Furthermore, our accountancy major enjoys maximum exemptions from professional accounting bodies, which means you can fast-track your career. You'll be glad to note that accountants enjoy competitive salaries, and if you rack up experience and additional professional certifications, you can significantly increase your earning potential. From ancient civilizations to modern life, accounting has and continues to play a crucial part in business and society. I welcome you to consider a future in accounting. Our team at the School of Business will be happy to answer any questions you may have.